If Facebook videos are lagging, freezing, or taking forever to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help improve playback fast. This is a great solution if videos keep buffering, stuttering, or playing in poor quality on Facebook, and the best part is that it only takes a minute to adjust the right settings. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to your account settings. On the menu, click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're inside the settings page, look for the Media section. This is where Facebook controls a few playback and video quality options that can affect how smoothly videos run. When you get to Media, the first thing you want to do is turn off HD Video Autoplay. High definition autoplay can look better, but it can also put extra pressure on your internet connection, device, and browser. If your Facebook videos are lagging, switching this off can help videos start faster and play more smoothly. After that, find the video quality setting and change it to SD. Setting video quality to SD reduces the amount of data Facebook has to load for each video, which can make playback much more stable, especially if your connection is slow, your device is older, or you're using mobile data. Once you've made both changes, go back and test a few Facebook videos. In many cases, you should notice less buffering and smoother playback right away. If the problem still continues, you can also try refreshing Facebook, restarting your browser or app, and checking your internet connection, because sometimes the lag is caused by temporary network issues rather than the settings themselves. But for most people, turning off HD video autoplay and switching video quality to SD is a simple and effective fix for Facebook video lag. It's quick, it's easy, and it can make a big difference in how videos perform. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.